If you want to optimize a video for website playback, the goal is simple. Keep the file size small, make streaming start fast, and preserve good quality across desktop and mobile. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do that using HandBrake, step by step, so your videos load faster on your site and perform better for viewers. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more practical software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open HandBrake and import your video by dragging the file directly into the program. HandBrake will decode the source file and prepare it for compression, which is the first step toward making it web-friendly. Once the video loads, go to the Summary tab. Here, set the format to MP4 because MP4 is one of the most compatible formats for web playback. Then check the Web Optimize box. This is a very important setting because it rearranges the file structure so the metadata, often called the move atom, is placed at the beginning of the file. That means the video can start playing before the entire file is downloaded, which is exactly what you want for smoother website streaming. Next, move to the Dimensions tab. Set cropping to automatic so HandBrake can remove any unnecessary black borders or extra edges around the footage. Then make sure the resolution matches the player on your website. For example, if your site displays video at 1080p, keep it aligned with that. This helps reduce unnecessary pixels, which lowers the bitrate needed for streaming and makes the video easier to load. After that, click the Video tab. For codec, choose H.264, also known as X264, because it is one of the most widely supported codecs for browser and web playback. Then set the RF value to somewhere between 22 and 24. A lower RF gives you better quality but a larger file, while a higher RF reduces file size more aggressively. This range is usually a great balance for website use. Also change the preset to slow. This takes a little more time to encode, but it gives the compression engine more opportunity to find efficient ways to reduce file size without hurting quality too much. That can help reduce buffering and improve the overall viewing experience on your site. Now go to the Audio tab. Set the audio codec to AAC, which is the standard choice for web audio compatibility. Then set the bitrate to 128 kilobits per second. That gives you clear sound for both mobile and desktop viewers while still saving space compared to higher audio bitrates. It's a smart balance for most online videos. Once all of those settings are in place, click Browse to choose where you want to save the final file. Give your optimized video a clear name so you can identify it easily later. Then click Start Encode. HandBrake will begin compressing and muxing the file into a lightweight MP4 that is ready for website use. Depending on the length and quality of your source video, this may take a few minutes, but the result is worth it because you'll end up with a much more efficient file for web playback. When the encode is finished, upload the video to your website or media library and test it in the actual player. You want to confirm that it starts quickly, plays smoothly, and looks good on the devices your audience uses most. If needed, you can always come back and adjust the RF value, resolution, or audio settings for future exports. And that's it. You've now learned how to optimize a video for website playback using HandBrake. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.